everyone. In this topic, we are going to see about IoT, Information of Things. In this topic, we are going to see about the history of IoT and the definition of IoT and how IoT works and an example of IoT devices and benefits of an IoT and why IoT is so important and IoT applications and challenges we faces in IoT, advantages and disadvantages of IoT. History of IoT. IoT was first determined in the 1999 and was used by Kevin Armstrong during his work at P&G, which became widely accepted. And in 2004, the term was mentioned in famous publications like The Guardian, Boston Global, and Scientific American. And in 2005, UN's International Telecommunication Union published its first report on IoT. And in 2008, the Internet of Things was born. And in 2011, Gartner, the market research company including the Internet of Things technology in their research, was established. IoT definition. IoT is a system of interrelated computing systems, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are providing with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over internet without requiring human-to-human interface and human-to-communicate computer interactions. And how IoT works. IoT works on four sensor and devices, connectivity, data processing, and user interfaces. Sensors. Sensors or devices are the key component that helps you to collect live data from the surroundings. And all this data may have various levels of complexity, and it could be simple temperature monitoring sensor, it may be a form of video feeder. Like with the use of sensors, we can easily motion capture something and like turning on lights like that, we can use with sensors. Connectivity. All the data, collected data is sent to the cloud infrastructure, and that data to the cloud infrastructure using various mediums of communications. These communication mediums including mobile, satellite networks, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAN, etc. Data processing. Once the data is collected, it get loaded to the cloud system, and on processing of the gathered data, the process can just check the temperature reading on the device like ACs or heaters. However, it sometimes may also be very complex, like identifying object using computer visions on videos. User interface. The information need to be available to the end user in some way, which can be achieved by triggering alarms on their phones or by sending them a notification through their emails or text messages. The user sometimes might need an interaction with actively checks their IoT system. For example, the user has a camera installed in his home. He wants to access the video recording and all feed with the help of the web server. Example of IoT devices. Our example, if you are installing a smart bulb in your home and you are connected the smart bulb to your Wi-Fi, and with the help of your smartphone, you can easily turn on the turn on the light bulb from anywhere in the world using the sensors, and also by using sensors. If some motion is there, the sensor capture the motion and send the data to the bulb, like turning on, turning off, like that. And IoTs could be like fluffy, like a tile chart, or as serious as a driverless truck. Sometimes there may be a large objects filled with smaller IoT components such as jet engines that's now filled with thousands of sensors collecting and transmitting data back to make sure it's operating efficiently. And organizations monitoring their overall businesses. Why IoT is so important? For the past few years, IoT became one of the most important technologies of 21st century. Now that we can connect every object like kitchen, car, thermostatics, baby monitors to internet via embedded system. Seamless communication is possible between people, process, and things. By means of low costing computing, the cloud, big data analyst, and mobile technology, physical things can share and collect with data with minimal human intervention. IoT applications. There are like smart thermostatics, connected cars, active trackers, sleep monitors, parking sensors, and connect health, smart city, etc. Challenges we face in IoT. IoT insufficient testing and updating, concern regarding data security and privacy, and software complexity, data volumes and interpretation. Integration with AI and automation. Devices require a constant power supply, which is difficult. Interaction and short range communications. Advantages of IoT. Ability to access information from anywhere or anywhere at any time on any devices. improving communication between electronic devices. Transfer, it helps in transferring data packets over a connected internet to the quality of business service and reduce the need of human intervention. And there are also some disadvantages of IoT. As the number of connected devices increases, more information is shared between devices. Then there may be a potential like a hacker could steal their confidential information, and enterprises may eventually have dealt with massive numbers of maybe even billions of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from those devices will be more challenging. If there is a bug in system, for example, if so many devices are connected, if a bug in one system may corrupted the each devices which are connected to the system. Since there is no international standard of complicity for IoT, it's difficult for devices to, for different manufacturers to communicate with each other. These are some references you can search about on internet about IoT. Thank you.